मित्र या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पायथागोरस थेरम प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे. पायथागोरस थेरम काय सांगतो? पायथागोरस थेरम इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल म्हणजे काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये द स्क्वेअर ऑफ हायपोटेनियस म्हणजे कर्णाचा वर्ग इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ रिमेनिंग टू साइड. उरलेल्या दोन बाजूंच्या स्क्वेअरच्या बेरज एवढा असतो. आता इथं दिलेले काय आहे? ट्रायंगल एबीसी दिलेला आहे जो काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. ठीक आहे, ट्रायंगल एबीसी हा काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. अँगल एबीसी हा काटकोन आहे, 90 डिग्रीचा आहे. काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे आपल्याला? एसी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू एबी स्क्वेअर प्लस बीसी स्क्वेअर. एसी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू एबी स्क्वेअर प्लस बीसी स्क्वेअर. आता कन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये ड्रॉ परपेंडिक्युलर सेगमेंट ऑन साइड AC. आता बी व्हर्टेक्स पासून साइड AC वर परपेंडिक्युलर सेगमेंट टाकलेला आहे. तर प्रूफ मध्ये पहा, इन अ राइट अँगल ट्रायंगल ABC सेगमेंट BD is perpendicular on hypotenuse AC. This is the construction. Therefore ट्रायंगल ABC मूल ट्रायंगल, ठीक है, and triangle ADB and triangle BDC are similar to each other because of with respect to similarity of right angle triangles rule. Here triangle ABC is similar to the triangle ADB. That's why the ratio of AB to AD is equal to ratio of BC to DB is equal to the ratio of AC to AB because they are corresponding sides of similar triangles. Here AB to AD is equal to AC to AB. After cross multiplying and taking AD to other side, we will get AB square is equal to AD into AC. This is our first equation. Similarly, triangle ABC is also similar to the triangle BDC. Therefore, ratio of AB to BD is equal to BC to DC is equal to AC to BC because they are corresponding sides of similar triangle. Here we can prove that BC square is equal to DC into AC. This is our second equation. By adding equation 1 and 2, we will get the following equation. Here AB square plus BC square, this is the LHS side, and in RHS side AD into AC plus DC into AC. Here AC is common, that's why we have taken AC outside of the bracket. Also AD plus DC is nothing but actually AC. Therefore, this is equal to AC into AC, that is AC square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, means our theorem, that is square of hypotenuse is equal to the squares, the sum of the squares of the remaining sides. Hence here Pythagoras theorem is proved. Now we will see the converse of Pythagoras theorem. See here, या ठिकाणी पहा, कॉन्व्हर्स ऑफ पायथागोरस थेरम म्हणजे उलट पक्षी काय सांगितलेलं आहे. इन अ ट्रायंगल इफ द स्क्वेअर ऑफ वन साइड इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ द रिमेनिंग साइड, then the triangle is right angle triangle. So given triangle ABC in which AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, we have to prove that angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Here you will see a diagram of ABC. This is right angle triangle, but we have to prove that. We have to prove that angle ABC is 90 degree. For comparing, we have taken or constructed one more triangle in which AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR, and angle PQR is right angle triangle. We know that in PQR, triangle PQR, angle PQR is a right angle triangle. And we have to prove that in this triangle ABC, angle ABC is the right angle. So here, using Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR, we know that Q is 90 degree. Therefore, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Putting these values of PQ square and QR square are equal to AB square plus BC square, because PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. Therefore, this is equal to AC square. This is equal to AC square, and PR square is equal to AC square. So PR is equal to AC. Therefore, we know that all the sides are equal or congruent. AB is congruent to PQ, BC is congruent to QR, and AC is congruent to PR. So, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR using SSS test. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, which is equal to 90 degree, using corresponding angle of congruent triangles. Okay, so angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. That's why triangle ABC is right angle triangle, and this is nothing but converse of Pythagoras theorem.